This is the April Mystical Mailbox, and I'm calling it Buzz. Every month, I handcraft a curated box of magical goodies and mail it out to my Mystical Mailbox patrons on Patreon. And this month, everything is centered around the sweet golden magic of bees. If you've been thinking about joining, I want you to watch this video all the way through, because I think you're going to want in on this one. Let's do some magical crafting. Every box I put together is handmade from start to finish, filled with original artwork and items I've crafted myself, and centered around a theme that connects back to living a magical and intentional life. It's not just a box of things, it's a monthly moment that's just for you. Something to look forward to, something that supports your practice and reminds you that magic belongs in the everyday. I'm sewing weighted eye pillows by hand using the most charming little bee fabric and filling each one with flax seeds. These are perfect for resting over your eyes during meditation or adding to a self-care ritual at the end of a long day. Something about the weight of it just tells your whole body to slow down and breathe. The beeswax candles are hand-rolled, and they have that warm, natural honey scent that beeswax carries all on its own. No fragrance added, just the real thing. There's something satisfying about hand-rolling candles. I just love making these. I also beaded a bookmark for each box this month with honey yellow and black faceted glass beads and a little bee charm at the end. It's one of those small objects that just makes you happy every time you reach for it. Each box also includes honey sticks and a wooden honey dipper because bees deserve to be celebrated all the way down to the kitchen. Every single Mystical Mailbox includes an original piece of art that I painted just for that month, and this one is my favorite kind of subject. A little bee standing on a dandelion, painted in that golden warm palette that just feels like April to me. This goes into every box, and I love knowing it will end up on someone's shelf or tucked into their grimoire or pinned above their altar. If you want to bring a magical intention to any of these items, bees carry ancient symbolism of abundance, sweetness, and community, and the rewards of devoted effort. A honey stick stirred into your tea while you name a wish out loud is a simple and lovely little spell all on its own. Your beeswax candle, lit at the start of a creative project, is an invitation for that work to bear fruit. The eye pillow over your eyes while you breathe slowly is a ritual of rest and renewal. The magic is already there. These items just give it a home. This is what the Mystical Mailbox is every month. Something handmade, something meaningful, and something that supports your practice and brings a little more intention to your everyday life. If you'd like to receive a box like this one, you can find the Mystical Mailbox tier over on my Patreon. The link is always in the description. And every month is a completely new theme with all new handmade items. I would genuinely love to send one to you. May this month bring you sweetness in every corner of your life.